Good morning, students. Page number 82. Solve problem number 7. Last period we have seen solve problem number 5. We have to prepare only income and expenditure account in that problem. Now we have to prepare income and expenditure account and also balance sheet in this problem. Page number 82. From the following receipts and payment account and additional information, prepare income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st March 19 and balance sheet as on that date. Adjustments, rent, then subscription, then furniture depreciation, and last number 4, entrance fees and last capital part. We have to prepare income and expenditure account and balance sheet in this problem. See the payment side first. Buy salaries rupees 4,000. You have to write salaries is the expenses. You should write it to expenditure side. 2 salaries 4,000. Buy printing and stationery 1,000. Expenditure 2 printing and stationery 1,000. Buy commission 500. Expenditure 2 commission 500. Buy rent 2,000. Expenditure 2 rent 2,000. There is adjustment on rent. Buy electric charges 1,500. Expenditure 2 electric charges 1,500. Buy furniture 8,000. Furniture is asset, so you should have to write on balance sheet asset side furniture 8,000. Inner column there is adjustment of depreciation. Last, buy balance carried down 1,000. This is called cash in hand. You should write this balance on balance sheet asset side cash in hand 1,000. Now receipt side, to balance brought down 3,000. This is the last year balance carried down. Now it has brought down. You have to delete this item. To subscription 5,000. Income by subscription 5,000. There is adjustment number 2 on subscription. To donation revenue 5,000. Revenue means income. By donation 5,000. To entrance fees 4,000. Income by entrance fees 4,000. There is adjustment number 4 on entrance fees. To interest 1,000. Income by interest 1,000. Now we have to write the adjustments with their effects. Adjustment first. This is also in final account, same adjustment. Outstanding rent was rupees 200. Rent expenditure, add outstanding rent rupees 200. First effect. Second effect, balance sheet liability side, outstanding rent 200. Adjustment number 2, subscription includes rupees 1,000 as subscription received in advance. Advance subscription we have to less from income side. Less advance subscription 1,000. Second effect, balance sheet liability side, subscription received in advance 1,000. And adjustment 2, and subscription outstanding for current year was rupees 500. Current year subscription rupees 500. Income side, add outstanding subscription 500. Second effect, balance sheet assets, outstanding subscription rupees 500. Adjustment number 3, depreciate furniture at 8% per annum. Furniture depreciation should be less 8% depreciation 640. 8000 into 8 divided by 100, 640. Second effect, 640 expenditure to depreciation on furniture 640. Adjustment number 4, 50% entrance fees should be capitalized. Income side, entrance fees rupees 4000 less 50% 2000, less 50% capitalized 2000. Second effect, balance sheet liability side, you have to add in this capital fund, add 50% entrance fees 2000. Last adjustment, capital fund was rupees 3000, you have to write capital fund on balance sheet liability side, capital fund 3000. Now we have to add entrance fees 2000. All 5 adjustments have done. Now you have to close income and expenditure account and you have to find surplus or deficit. Which total is greater? Income side 12,500. There should be a surplus. To surplus 2660. Surplus means excess of income. Income is greater. Income is excess of income or expenditure. You have to write this surplus on balance sheet liability side. Capital fund, you have to add it into capital fund. Add surplus 2660. Now balance sheet will be tally of rupees 8860. 8860. Now we have solved problem number 7 on page number 82. You have to look this video for 2 or 3 times, write the example and also write the solution in your notebook. We have 2 examples on your, we have to solve 2 examples on your notebooks. Next period we will see the problem number 8, solve problem. Okay.